The Omerta SIM is a global solution and works worldwide in any country. To allow us to deliver high performance anonymous data, we use profiles, and these profiles contain various settings which enable your phone to work. In most instances, the R1 profile will suit 90% of our users. However, the occasion may arise when you have to change your profile, and this tutorial runs through that process. So to start off, we have to launch the SIM menu. This can be found by swiping up from the bottom to view our app tray, and from the app tray, selecting SIM Toolkit. From here, we choose Profiles, and from our list of profiles, quite simply press R1 and Use Old. Always select Use Old. Okay. And when the profile updates, you'll notice a small arrow appears to the left hand side of the chosen profile. And that's it.